Welcome to another video. In this one I show you the Alfa Network wide range AC 1200 wireless adapter awus036ach. This is an AC specification wireless adapter. It can support all the protocols up to AC, ABG and AC. And this is a seal. Interesting, it's good to have a seal on the box so you know it's not opened. And it operates in dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz as you would expect, and USB 3. This is the box. You can use this to get a better Wi-Fi signal on your computer if you have a low quality signal, poor range on your Wi-Fi adapter. And yeah, this is a basic USB, and it's USB 3, and the speed, it needs that for the speed because it's supposed to have a pretty good speed for the network. And another sticker here that's also super reassuring. And yeah, let's see what's inside the box. We get two wireless antennas, a nice strong thick USB 3 cable. That's really reassuring. It's a really solid cable, so you shouldn't have a signal dropout with this one. And it's good for a laptop, for a computer, and an interesting nice sticker if you want to put it on your laptop. That's pretty cool. Actually, these are very popular wireless adapters, and it's nice to put it on the laptop. Some people like to have a lot of stickers on the laptop, and I would like to have stickers, but I don't really have any stickers. I didn't use this sticker. Some information about the CD, but okay, these days you don't really use a CD. You download drivers from the internet, or most of the times you don't even need to download anything. Everything is set up. You get from Windows Update or in Linux. If you use this on Linux, most of the times it will just work as it is. And this is the wireless adapter. Here you have the lights, status indicator lights, and the USB 3 connector. Yeah, those are the lights there. Some interesting futuristic design. It's interesting to see some anti-counterfeiting measure. I'm not sure if this is original. Write in the comments if you think this is original or not original, and why. To me it looks believable. I bought it from the internet, so I'm not really sure if it's original or not. That's the label. It looks very well made, so I tend to think that this is original. Those are the wireless connectors, the RF connectors, and it's really nice. You can use another antenna. You don't have to use the built-in antennas for this adapter. You can use any antenna you like because you can attach other antennas. This is pretty good there. It's better to have them detachable in case there is something wrong with the antenna, or just need a different type of antenna, anything. It's always good to have options. Yeah, trying to put everything back together, but yeah, I forgot one thing here. There was one piece of detail here. There is also a clip that allows you to clip the wireless adapter to your notebook or to anything you have around your home. This also has this nice Alfa Network logo, which I like a lot. Actually, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, this clip doesn't fit there, so there is another piece. There is something else in the package. I missed it. I didn't find it, so I have to dig a little bit to be able to install this there. Okay, I found it. this is the missing piece from this package. It was just in the box. I had to dig a little bit for it. So you see 2 clips on one side, another clip on the other side. It looks pretty easy to install, but it's not really. Actually, you have to press it quite hard, and I'm not sure if it's easy to remove afterwards. But once you install this, look at it. Yeah, I tried to press it down, it didn't work. I wasn't sure if really I installed it well. Yeah, now it's installed. So I think it's easy to remove it. Actually, not such a big deal, but you will need to remove it. Then the clip attaches to it, and you can even put it on your belt if you wanted to. Yeah, this is it.